Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to share my idea and hope about waste management, and we need a random people in this campus. Like, oh, there's one, Mister. Hey, wait.
Hello. Do you want to play a game?
My name is Ardyn Fahreza.
My name is Muhamad Firdaus.
My name is Wildan.
And I'm from Computer Science.
In this video, I'm going to share about
My innovation and solution
for waste management in my university in UP. And here is our guest, and beside me is my name is Ranga. He's from sport department, and beside Ranga is my name is Zul from computer science.
My name is Ahmad Kurniana Sution.
I'm Abdullah Sama and I'm from Computer Science program.
Okay, hello, my name is Safa. I'm from Biology Education. My name is Nesa from Biology Education. My name is Azlina. I'm from Biology Education.
Yes, I am Fahreza Kartiman from Computer Science.
My name is Fahreza. I'm from Computer Science.
So yeah, in this occasion, I want to share with you guys my innovation and solution about waste, especially on reducing paper waste. Particularly, from the thesis process is a significant issue on campus due to tradition and formality. The hardcover thesis can also be used as a physical documentation that can be stored and reviewed in the future.
However, in this digital era, we need to consider the impact of paper usage on the environment. As we know, paper is a product of trees. By reducing paper usage, we can help preserve forests and reduce the negative impact on the environment. One way to reduce paper usage is by conducting the thesis guidance and revision process online. With today's technology, supervising lecturers can provide comments and revision directly on the student's thesis file. This not only saves paper, but is also more efficient, because lecturers and students do not need to meet directly to discuss the revision. Of course, there are challenges in implementing this method. For example, some lecturers may prefer to provide revision with a pen on paper.
However, with training and adaptation, they may be able to get used to a digital methods. In a conclusion, the idea to reduce paper usage in the thesis process is a worthy idea to consider. Although there are challenges that need to be overcome, the benefit for the environment and the efficiency of the thesis process can be strong reason to implement this idea. So yeah, that's my innovation for the paper waste.
So the problem is waste. Waste management is a problem, a common issue in almost every university or maybe all environment. So my idea is to manage the waste to like 3R, like understanding the concept of reduce, reuse, and recycle. The concept offers a holistic approach to resource and waste management with primary focus on minimizing negative environment impact. My idea is to reuse e-waste like electronical waste, because in university, discarded electronic items such as old computers are common, contributing to the issue of electronic waste. The idea of repurposing these items, known as 3R concept, students can transform broken electronic items into innovative art or technology projects, emphasizing the potential for creativity and sustainability. And for examples, there is a tube monitor that I create from an old laptop and from its battery. So as you can see, tube monitor, convert it to an LCD monitor where we can put like HDMI input and output. Before the time of LCD monitor, tube motor don't have like HDMI input or output. So using 3R concept reuse, we can convert a tube monitor to a LCD monitor. So this involving students in disassembling and involving students reusing this item foster a sustainably campus environment. Apart from environment benefits, this initiative cultivates creative and technical skills among students, potentially contributing to the local economy. Support from various stakeholders, local governments, and educational institutions. Ultimately, utilizing e-waste on campus not only benefits the environment, but also creates opportunities for creativity, innovation, and economic growth among students, highlighting the transformative impacts of changing perspective on discarded electronic items. And that is my idea for waste management on campus for electronic waste.
Today, I'll be explaining about 3R concept, especially about recycle. The campus environment has a significant of plastic waste. Plastic waste is transferred to ready-to-use material recycle, creating a sustainable solution to reduce waste. The process begins with the collection of plastic waste from various areas on campus. The plastic waste is the systematic. Next, the solid plastic waste undergoes cleaning and washing stage. This process aims to remove dirt and other contaminants. The plastic is dried and ground into small pieces in preparation for the next step. The subsequent step involves mixing and heating. This process allows the plastic to be shaped according to the required specification. Once the plastic takes on the desired form, the next step is cutting and final shaping. The plastic is processed according to the design of final product. The production of a bag, plastic cardboard, and then pen pulp, and any more processed product from plastic waste. Maybe that's all I can say about the concept of recycle.
Thank you for our guests for having the time to listen to my idea, and thank you for watching the video.
Bye bye.